Okay, Google just dropped something huge for Gemini. It's a real game changer.
You know that feeling, right? Having to reteach every new AI chatbot who you are.
Yeah, it's like AI amnesia. All that time you spent training it, just gone.
Well, what if you could just skip that whole process? Google thinks you can. It's a new feature in Gemini called switching tools, and it's a big deal.
So think about this shift. Now your AI's past can actually come with you.
The key thing here is control. These tools finally give you control over the AI's memory.
Okay, so how does this actually work? It's a surprisingly simple two-part process.
First up, you can bring over what Gemini calls memories. It's just 3 steps.
So Gemini gets up to speed on all that crucial context you've already shared.
And second, you can import your entire chat history. This is even easier.
And yeah, this works with the big ones, like ChatGPT and Claude exports.
But you gotta ask, why now? This is way more than just another feature. It's a huge strategic move in the great AI chatbot war.
It's really heating up.
Right now, ChatGPT is leading the pack, but Gemini's trying to close that gap fast.
By making it painless to switch, Google's making a play for millions of users.
But let's zoom out from the competition. This hints at something bigger for all of us. We're talking about the start of real data portability. Your AI history is actually yours.
So what's the takeaway? It means no more starting over. It's your AI, your data.
We're watching the evolution from generic tools to truly personal, portable assistants.
Think about it. One single archive for your whole AI journey. That's the future here.
So that leaves us with one final, exciting question about what comes next.
Now that your AI truly knows you, what are you going to build with it?